Well, it's probably the last sailing day of our holiday. We're sailing now just under the jib because we're not really in a hurry. We've got all day to do about 10 miles. Sadly, the wind is smacking our teeth, so it's going to be a slow old flog down there. But no, we've got all day. In fact, we've got a week. But we're going back to our home port today and start preparing the boat for the winter. Sad, but soon be off to sunny Cyprus, so that makes it a little bit better. As you can see, we've had to pull out the main. We weren't going anywhere fast, and it's such a lovely sailing day. Shame to mess about. So, big ships all around. Just crossing the channel, trying not to bash into the channel markers. That would be nasty. And we're going to have to tack all the way down this little sea. It's going to take us about 3 to 4 hours. Then through the last lock and home. He looks very heavily laden. Phew, just made it. Just made it to weather. ZV6. Wouldn't want to bash that thing. Well, that turned out to be a really lovely day sail. An awful lot of tacking down the channel, but and an awful lot of traffic, big ships. But here we are, approaching the last lock. This is the bridge and the lock that gets us through into the river where we live. So this is probably the last sailing day of the season for us. We'll get the sails off next couple of days while they're still dry, and put them away and tidy up the boat, get it ready for winter. But next we've got the final lock. What's he doing there? Coming out. Before the next ladder, yeah. Which one? This one here?
Yes.
Get it?
Yeah.
Right.
It's him next week on the 5th.
Let him go on first, Kristen.
use the lock, the last one, and we're back to Newmansdorp in 10-15 minutes. And our friends behind us.
Just approaching Newmansdorp now, soon be in the marina, then off for dinner. Holland's deep on the herring fleet on a beautiful day. Just approaching our berth now. Nice easy conditions to go in. Skipper's just got to get it right and everything will be fine. Time to start my turn now. Engine in neutral. Keep the turn on. Coming round nicely. Ready for reverse. Reversing now. Can you walk forward and get it? Okay, I'll take it forward on the engine now. Okay, good.